Does this situation look familiar to you? Are you tired of dealing with old boring locks and having to deal with things like losing your keys? Just look at what this poor man is going through. Or even worse, what if some stranger with bad intentions got a hold of the key? Look how easy it is for him to get through the lock and steal the bike. Look how upsetting if there was only a solution to this problem. Introducing the Pao Lock, a facial recognition lock. The first button turns it on. The last button turns it off. The second button allows you to put your face into the Pao Lock system. The third tests your face in order to unlock it. Let's see it in action. Look at that handsome face. Wow, how amazing! Let's see how it handles this filthy criminal. You can steal a key, but you can't steal a face. He can't steal it this time.